Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I'm going to show you this toy which I got it from Shanghai. It's another fun project by Mark Su, mechanical wind-up biplane. It's actually made in Shanghai. I'm going to show you unboxing. I tried to get it from their website and unfortunately it's sold out already by now, so I went to Shanghai last week, just came back. I'm going to unbox it. Let's see what's it. I'm so excited. Wow. Woohoo! Look at that. It's really nice. It's beautiful. I'll come with the key used to unwind up. I mean, it doesn't have any battery. Oh, wow. Let's see how it works. This is how it looks like. Mechanical biplane. It's made of tin, metal tin. Where is it? The key. Oh, it's up here. So all I need to do is actually to wind it up. It's a tin toy. Okay. So what I'm going to do is fits only one side, I guess. Whoa. 1, 2. Whoa, apparently the wheel and the propeller will rotate. So let's see how I should insert the key. Okay, tightly. Clockwise. Hopefully I hold up and then hold it. Wow, it's beautiful. Okay, this is how it looks like. Quite fun. Without using the battery, it's actually mechanical. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? Wow. That's all from me. I appreciate the thumbs up. Stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.